we got?
Look what we've got. Yeah, we've got the Losi, or Losi, whatever you want to call it, Baja Rey cord one. So we're going to open this up.
Oh, it's awesome. I forgot like you were getting it, and then I remembered when I saw the box.
Yeah.
Sweet. Mate, that looks awesome.
What is that?
It's attached by its live axle. Wow, that is actually
That is soft.
really frigging cool.
How soft is that?
That is.
Wow.
It's like warm butter.
Snips stuff in the box, isn't it?
That really does look nice. Especially because I did see a few like pre-runner short course looking trucks when I went to America last year, like the real ones. So, you know, they really did have the cages and the spare wheel thing and everything. Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. Is the transmitter in here?
Yeah.
Okay, I won't throw that.
Oh, good.
I'll just move it over here briefly. So, it's... I don't know anything about it actually. I literally have just seen it now.
110 scale, short course truck, but it's not just a normal one, it's a trophy truck kind of scale. So we've got a solid rear axle, 4-linky kind of setup, and then
A licensed body.
aluminium chassis.
Aluminum
No, aluminium
chassis.
chassis. Yeah. So this is a real wheel apparently. And if you don't want the wheel on, there's a little thing in the box somewhere wherever you put it that you could put on there because the fuel tank under here.
Alright.
I've read loads. I've watched all the reviews on this. Just make sure I get the right
Oh,
thing.
it looks so cool the way like the door, but you know the roll cage bars poke through the windows and everything.
Little fake radiator fans in the back.
Light bar.
It's got front and rear lights. So that's there. I think that comes off.
Oh, and the body's sectional. Look, you can remove the front.
Front, middle, and the 2 sides on the rear.
Because that's cool. Because you see them in like on YouTube when they're desert racing, they'll nosedive. That'll all come off, be in tatters, and they'll have the cab on. Man, that's sweet. Is that the battery tray at the bottom with Allen keys?
No, this is where the.
Hang on.
I don't
This
know
is like a
where-
radio unboxing.
No. This cover here with the screws.
Yeah.
That's the motor. So you take the screws out, and the motor comes out the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Because the body's about 574 screws to get out, and then the battery goes in there somewhere. Little door there for the battery.
Oh,
It's
cool.
there.
I do like having a live access back.
It just looks nice.
It does. It's going to look cool going. That is some old man level of droop right there.
That is, isn't it?
That
It's
is
properly wicked.
nudist camp swing ball type.
Those tyres are like really soft.
It
They get a
just
balloon
looks
up
so
like
good.
mad. It does look nice, doesn't it? I'm not going to do it for the video now, but if you take the body off, it's a proper full cage. There's little people in there,
It's got a little dashboard lit. Well, it's a sticker, but still.
but it's like a dashboard. We can like ram this in there somewhere.
Is that a brake light?
No,
it's a
not,
light bar
It's
at the
not
back.
a brake light. It is a light bar.
Is it red?
Just a red light, yeah.
Sweet.
There's lots of stickers.
I have
over
to
there.
take this out at like night. In the summer when it can kick up some dust and the light will shine through the dust, that would be so cool. Really.
Yeah, you're not going to find much dust around that.
No, that's what I mean. Grim at the minute.
So I think what we probably need to do is open the other box.
That is big though. I know it says 110 and
Well,
110.
get the helium over. And it's
But
just,
look, here's a 110th like rally car.
if you look at the person, you know, he might fit in.
Right, where's the little version of this? Hang on.
The what?
The Helion.
Ah,
There's not enough bench.
there isn't enough bench.
But yeah, they're fairly. I'm not putting it on it. Fairly similar in size.
About the same. I bought this a while ago. We tried to make it go 100 miles an hour. Didn't quite get there. But this is independent suspension. I guess based around some forward buggy of some kind. Mike's now taken this on, so later on we're going to stick some electrics in that and get that running. And then hopefully at some point we're going to have some funky chase video, one chasing the other.
And race them about.
Oh, yeah, that goes without saying.
It's going to be cool. Yeah, that's like, yeah. Before meth, after meth.
So what else do we get in the box then? Do we get a transmitter? Oh, just about hasn't got any batteries. Oh, comes with batteries. Oh, double A's.
Oh, so you can't say all you need is the AA battery for your handset.
Rubbish in the dog is mine.
Spectrum
So, radio.
DX2E.
It's a Spectrum, so it should be reasonable. But it is all a bit plasticky. Yeah. Adjustable AVC. I can't think what AVC stands for, so active vehicle control or something, I don't know.
Don't leave this bag near
Lying
your
around.
children. This is why they put the little breathing holes in.
Blind cowbell. Has it got breathing holes in it?
No! Danger. Consumer information. Won't let you buy a poxy drink with sugar in it. They send you out suffocaty bags.
So we get 4 heavy duty of some kind, double O batteries.
They're
We
festive batteries there at a Christmas tree.
Oh, wicked. We get a black piece of plastic.
Light bar cover?
Light bar cover?
Maybe.
Why do I want a light bar cover?
Cover your light bar.
Ugh.
Stop you getting dirt in it, I don't know.
It's too big for the back one.
That's all I can think it is. It is, isn't it?
It could be actually. So, the proof of the pudding, as they say.
Put in the Christmas batteries.
Christmas. They are Christmas batteries.
They are.
They're Christmas batteries. I mean, so a little battery door, which is great, and the battery obviously doesn't fit in that way round. And to put it in that way round, I need to remove that piece of plastic from inside.
The difference. Look at that. Oh, it's even got bump stops on the bottom of the shocks.
Yeah.
That's cool. Changing the connection type. Straight out the box. There's some of the smoke. You've got to make sure you put some smoke into a system, then it lets you know if it's gone wrong when it comes out. Not actually bad. To the road.
Right. Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to pack it away before it gets dirty.
Always use that road.
That's really stony and I'm playing. The suspensions are awesome.
I don't want to crash into yours, it's too lovely inside. You crash into
Hey!
I forgot about like
Scratch.
dangerous height. First scratch.
Oh, I've got dirt on it!
Oh no! Hey. Thing's rapid. It looks cool as penguin pee as well. Pizza cutter front tyres. Man, that thing's cool. Car.
Baja Rey, first impressions. Give it a quick run in some pretty poor weather conditions. A few scratches on it, worn a bit of paint off the rear wheel arch, but it's got power in spades, it's well controlled, there's plenty of grip from what it seems like. Like I said, so I need to tweak the suspension a little bit, now it's settled again, and it's just going to get better.